If you're outside the United States and want to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026, you might be wondering, what are the legal options available? Because honestly, many people assume the World Cup is only easy to watch inside the US, but that's not true at all. In fact, most countries will have their own official broadcasters and streaming services. So in this video, I'll show you how to watch the World Cup 2026 outside the USA, legally including official broadcasters, streaming apps, free options, and what to do when traveling abroad. First, the most important thing. Every country has different broadcast rights. Because FIFA sells television and streaming rights separately around the world. That means the service available in Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, India, Colombia, or Germany may be completely different. So the first thing you should always do is check your country's official World Cup broadcaster. Now let's talk about FIFA Plus, because honestly, this should be installed on almost every football fan's phone. FIFA Plus offers highlights, interviews, documentaries, match recaps, and official World Cup coverage, all directly from FIFA. And honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to stay connected to the tournament, no matter where you live. Now another huge option: national broadcasters, because many countries will show matches through public television, free-to-air channels, official sports networks, and streaming apps. For example, many European countries traditionally provide free World Cup coverage through public broadcasters, while other countries use official sports platforms. And honestly, millions of fans watch the tournament this way every 4 years. Now, let's talk about mobile streaming, because in 2026, many broadcasters have apps available for iPhone, Android smart TVs, tablets, and browsers, meaning you often don't need cable television anymore. You can simply download the official app for your region, sign in if necessary, and start watching. Now another useful thing traveling during the World Cup, because honestly, many people will be outside their home country when matches happen. If you're traveling, the best approach is usually to check local broadcasters, official streaming partners, and available sports apps in the country you're visiting. This helps avoid regional restrictions and access issues. Now, another important thing, watch out for fake streaming websites, because every World Cup brings thousands of fake streams, scam websites, malware downloads, and fake apps. And honestly, many of them stop working right before kickoff. That's why official platforms are usually the safest option. Now let's talk about smart TVs, because if you're watching from home, many official broadcasters already have apps available for Samsung TVs, LG TVs, Android TV, Google TV Fire TV, and Roku, which honestly makes watching matches much easier. Now another benefit of official streams: better quality, because many legal services now offer HD streams, 4K broadcasts, live statistics, multiple camera angles, and instant replays. And honestly, the viewing experience is much better than most unofficial streams. Now let's be honest for a second. Watching the World Cup outside the USA is actually very easy in 2026, because there are more official streaming options than ever before. Between FIFA Plus, national broadcasters, mobile apps, smart TV apps, and official sports networks, most fans will have several legal ways to watch. So to wrap this up, if you're outside the United States and want to watch the World Cup 2026 legally, check your country's official broadcaster, install FIFA Plus, download any available broadcaster apps, use smart TV apps when available, and avoid unofficial streaming websites. Because honestly, there will be plenty of safe and legal ways to enjoy every moment of the World Cup 2026.